In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use sigils in Genshin Impact. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Sigils will be earned by exploring the regions all around the world. So, every time that you do most activities like opening a chest, completing a quest, interacting with a challenge, and so on, you might be rewarded with sigils. Each region will have their respective sigils, so you have Anemo sigils, Geo sigils, Electro sigils, and possibly others. Sadly, it's been a while since I played on this account, so it doesn't have a lot of progress. And once you collect these sigils, you can access them on your inventory here under the Precious Items category. If you click on a specific one, you might see this option at the bottom, Sacred Sakura Offerings Available, or a different name for offerings depending on the region. You can then click on this button and they will direct you to the place where you can use these sigils. So primarily, you will use these sigils as offerings in a specific location or a specific shrine. So for Inazuma, this is where you must offer your sigils. And of course, you can only use or offer the sigils that you find in the region of Inazuma. So you click on the option to offer, it is going to level it up if you have enough. You can go into the rewards and claim it. After you are done reaching most of these rewards, you will unlock the souvenir shop. So as you can see here, if I click on the Anemo or Geo sigils, it doesn't give me the option to offer these sigils anymore. This is because I have leveled the offerings enough. So instead, I can go over to a main city and look for this icon here with a little diamond. This is why the souvenir shop is in Mondstadt, and like I said before, you will find the same souvenir shops available in other regions. After you are done leveling up the shrine for a specific region, you can use the excess of sigils that you have, so you will end up with extra sigils, and then you can purchase items on these souvenir shops. Usually these items are going to be used on the main character to gain constellations, or they are items that you can only get by spending stamina or resin. So if you are lacking on one of these components, it might be worthwhile to gather the required amount of sigils and spend them here. After the entire stock is sold out, you will be able to exchange them for Mora. So visit the souvenir shops in different regions in Genshin Impact after you use them as offerings, and then you will be able to spend the remainder that you have on your account. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.